morning, guys, and welcome to my vlog. All the random stuff and car stuff and good food stuff that you can find. Just kidding. Alright, not like that. But today we're going to the river and we're gonna go tubing with a few of our friends before they leave. One of them's going back to California and back to New York. His Instagram, you guys should have seen him in the previous video, which is I think it's gonna be right here on either side, I'm not sure. But yeah, so with that being said, we got the wheels sold yesterday. If you guys see my story on Instagram, it's right on there. But damn, bro, look at that, that's so ugly. Wheels are sold. Hurts me, dude. But you know, moving on to a new chapter, as you can tell. Skyline's in the garage, just chilling. Look at that fitment though, bro. Major tuck. Hot to blaze sauce. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go out to the river. We're gonna meet up with some of my friends and we're gonna hang out. And there's Jules, Jules, looking all like a snack already. All right, so we're gonna go hang out at the river, do our stuff, and yeah, so I'll update you guys once we get to our meeting point. All right, y'all, so we are at Bashers. Picking up some stuff. So this is the like pit stop place that you would go for like your pass so that you don't get towed or ticketed, which they don't really care because it's really cool out here. But yeah, so we're gonna go pick up some more last final things. And yeah, this is the Corolla, bro. We fit 2 tubes of boat, ISIS chest, and all that stuff in there. Yeah. Yo, so we here. Carlo, got Johnny. Damn, Johnny, looking like Rocky Balboa, dog.
Trying to look clean out here.
So we're gonna go head to the river right now. Packed up the truck, the Corolla. So yeah, we're gonna go start pumping stuff up. So Carlo's got a rubber ducky, and Johnny over here.
I'm just supervising.
Holding it. Look at that little ducky, dog.
Yeah,
it is right here.
It's a little ducky tail.
Oh, rubber ducky. So there's his rubber ducky. Oh, look at that, dude. We made
no signal?
We made it out here. Yeah, no signal.
Shit.
That's a wonderful boat. Rubber ducky.
Oh yeah.
Rubber ducky. All right, so we're on the river right now. We got Jonathan over there. We got the rubber ducky man. We got Jules. Just chilling.
Please don't be squeezing on my jeans unless it's going down. Please don't be screaming on my team unless it's going down. Teams always looking for the ring, but that's how Sonic sound. Volume at the maximum, calling it maximum. When we stop the parties.
Hey. Yeah, so Jonathan here he fell out of the tube. So definitely bring like a boat or something and towels if you're going out here. Keep the tubes cool.
Maybe a helmet.
A helmet.
Need a helmet. Might need Jesus that day. What else? A rope for sure.
Ropes. Ton of ropes. Ton of ropes. And a rubber ducky.
And a rubber ducky.
What up, y'all? So we're about almost 3/4 of the way down the river. I got Jules right there, looking all good and snuff. Then you got Carlo, the boat man. And then you got Jonathan over here, chilling. Straight chilling. But yeah, this is chill. It's not as bad as they said it would be. They said it's supposed to be 119 degrees. Degrees, bro. Degrees today. But it feels pretty good, you know? Just chilling. Check this out, man. This is the most horses we've seen on the river today. Woo! Check that out. Look at that. I found Seabiscuit. Seabiscuit. Wilson. Seabiscuit. Where you at? Wilson. Hey, look at that little pony horse. Seabiscuit. Hey, yo, Spirit. Hey, yo, the Spirit. You know that horse movie? I love you. Beautiful. Ain't that a sight to see, huh? Look at all those wild horses.
yeah, they gotta all be
Wow.
related, dude. These things
That's
are all
beautiful.
one color.
That is beautiful.
Take a picture after.
This is why Arizona rivers are awesome.
Sir? You're gonna lose your phone.
Alright, we're about to go through the rapids. Let's see if I can survive. You think I can hold on my phone? Y'all think I can hold on my phone? Let's find out.
Go your right, you're right.
Yeah, go your right. Look at that canyon. Look at that canyon opening. It is so beautiful. Look at that canyon. Alright, y'all, so we just got done with the river. New record time. Like, this took us like 4-5 hours to complete. So not bad at all. You got Julesy Banana. We're gonna go eat now. You got Carlo and them in the back. They're gonna follow us to a place. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So check out the previous video on my side here, and then subscribe here. Cool, guys. Like the video, support me a lot, and thank you again for everything. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Wow.